Kwesiba, do you know that that show no? Moses and Dino is no longer United Showbiz.
Know that impactless Mark.
Roger Cortes, that show is the first. You mean
I don't understand Mark.
Anamoah. And if we are going to go by data, and you also what's na GH1 and forces station
ministers and deputy ministers who were ineffective.
Thank you.
Then you can have a one-on-one with him because he qualifies for that position. Clear.
Say honorable. Okraku mantaka say on basho ni suntino.
Salomon Jana nipa wenyano Anamoah because or sin Anamoah I disrespect Mark Okraku mante. It's really between Salomon and Anamoah and Yasem Ketwakra. Aha, let's talk ghtrend. And any first time I'll put into a video, I'm sure say, I'll subscribe it. I'm a click on notification bell. So, say the your latest update. We are on Sabbath. You can follow your Facebook as let's talk ghtrend and a TikTok also as let's talk ghtrend. Or comment be an or comment section or Eddie. I'm not share video. I'm a from Ababa Bishim. Ebusia yenye say Mark Okraku mante. Say when him na one of the people are here or can dream when it comes to a entertainment industry. Nedia on fair nyago cry any hey. Or your judge will show so or be blast or my who say yes or blast or now or your former deputy minister for tourism, culture and in creative arts. I then the jumo bedi ye any Ghana for the be bonnet so airborne abaso. Now ena Salomon ababe defend ye Mark over Anamoah and Simbi Awakokan with United Showbiz. Now United Showbiz on any and some pan anaba kind of man for quening say Nanaba and then was him. Mark has some kind say United Showbiz no your friend now because we name anything showbiz and we discuss or yintienema.
Kwesiba, do you know that that show no? Moses and Dino is no longer United Showbiz. Moses and Dino, they don't do showbiz there. I'm telling you.
What are you doing?
They don't do showbiz. Me they are not the proof about. That is my orientation.
So what is the
Today, what are your topics? Today, what are your topics?
Industry. Okay.
Mister, what are your topics?
Miss a creative art industry.
But when him said, he said media terrain, so near my sound.
Correct. That's why the main class man you. But me say for branding purposes, change the name. To me, Baram become politics and then become social issues. Roger Cortes, I showed him the first. You mean I can't say that? When come, I want to say that first year is how you United Showbiz. Me no invite him first. Father craft more. I don't catch the father say, oh, father, how can I call law school here? Judge no be dia semono. Judge na assign plaintiff. Satan na na background. And the film funi be akọ parliament. Akọ complaining something on film. And that was the topic they are going to discuss. Now background no can no complaining on your host. And so as you come through they ask government. And I'm say, oh, na man no a judge. On one side plaintiff. So how can I come and sit on the show? So I don't have a problem with the show. If we agree that you be broadcast ethics and be juma.
Ebusia ha said the Mark Okraku mante e kind no see they should even change the name of the show no from a United Showbiz no to anything I be to the conversations I have home. Na eno na Anamoah kopi mu United Showbiz so ana eja empress gift ebusa ani say na dwenkyere e wo sa asem na ye Mark Okraku mante ko kan no eho enesem.
Know that impactless Mark holds the moral compass and ethical compass now to decide what a television station should call an entertainment show. What's the name of your show again? United Showbiz. Okay. You started today by talking about the scaling down of independence celebration. There is nothing showbiz in there? There is nothing showbiz. I want to be corrected. There is no connection.
There is.
I don't understand. I don't understand, Mark. Let's assume, okay, without admitting that Nyokanu and Okre, he had the opportunity to address the issues he claims exist in the showbiz industry. What some would discuss. Also the gambru.
Like
whiny. I'm sure you lots would have had a reason to discuss it.
Your friend is so sure.
Hold on, Meba. You would have had a reason to discuss it. If he, after occupying a position as a radio presenter for that long, if he had made an effort to make an impact, that impact would have been noticed. Now, every Saturday night, you would have a reason to discuss those issues, right? But I'm sure you have beaten the drum so many times. I'm even tired of hearing Gambro issues because it's just hitting a wall consistently. They talk. There is no policy direction. Also, the show is about politics. You see, I struggle to understand how people who are educated cannot place a difference between policy and politicking. You cannot run away from politics. Everything we do in this world, everything in this country is about politics. Because you need the politics to get your policy right. Unless he wants to say that you've been doing politicking. And I don't think anybody does politicking on this platform. NPP. Nobody does politicking here. So every issue you discuss has a political leaning. There is a connection to politics. So he can't say it's a program.
Yes, it's sunny thing.
Yeah, most of sunny thing. I'm friend is saying
United Politics.
Maybe he wants you to change the focus and talk about ministers and deputy ministers who were ineffective.
Thank you.
Then you can have a one-on-one with him because he qualifies for that position clearly.
Ebusia na na ba na mu na dwa alliance no ene o see any concept or Okraku manti ka bibia kwa no the impact no be ye industry nim anyenye bia so we bibia na ye tena se discuss de waye na wo wa me ye hye also expect so bi me ene hey honorable a so onye honorable wo se che se mark dey say ye ka se obi a me ye hye a e yo no ana wo pese o msesa show ni di de no mo sesa a discuss o mo ba ya o ma me di dwuma bia ne na na ba e blasting him. Na no na Saliman say dabi. E total disrespect say na ba na mo baba betina be keka sansem na afa Okraku manten because he has been an industry player and then will play a lot of vital role e nkofo bebrabra ma ne obubo Lord Kenya ohene bakisi na tufuo da sibe dwamene nyina wo twese ono na de o mobile na wo na ba na mo ye ka asem wa wo ba be ka bi ukọ GH1 kwa ye sem wa ma GH1 krampu he
Nanka what me correct is oh aba untumi nkasa sa emfa an honorable of state ho if you say definition na wa ha ne kire say government appointed wa you can be an honorable
Obase Nanaba, I'm sure she knows this.
no but if she knew what I say she knew and she was being sarcastic me so me tena ha na me so me educate say enkrofo ebetimi de nana do danko ekufo ado akasa se wa anya ade or ye impactless but the tag president or former president can never be taken away from them.
Of course.
And it was it beat my imagination. Say honorable Okraku mantaka say on basho ni sunte no ne highest officer wa ene enye by fluko enye agro ne mai onya sa position no. Honorable Okraku Mante is a former minister of state. That title no will never in a million years ebe kane credentials ho sa enti isi etna ho na ye ma enkrofo e disrespect whoever ye de no wo opposition and also ye de na government dia man positioner then what now let me come to my untouchable Anamoah. Mark can be impactless in your opinion but say on your honorable he is. And that is a positioner. A buyer near nominating no. A converting for it. I didn't see the boss that time no. If so one yet honorable, and I say he's not deserving of it and can he buy. Yadi Minister of Tourism and Yama by this time round, you know. Bewa, Yambubonko for baby. Why didn't your boy? Your boy wine Jifago Mashi, your boy Rexoma. Your boy and mammy, I see a boy. Say, they didn't be buy.
Okay.
What I say, market time no, so Cressa foodie buy. Me what? But when eventually you're on with it, I am Mark Okraku Mante. He's an honorable. So I was disappointed in Gifty Empress Adoye any team. So on my team, you make it a correction. Say, whatever that Nanaba felt, say, Mark, I near Jumano. And not your any opinion. I can't challenge her about that because if you are shining near memoir, or feel say, Mark, what you say. And now she also made an assertion. Say, Mark, it's not hit FM, dear, no, yeah. Nanaba Anamoah. And if we are going to go by data, and you also tna GH1 and Crawford station egu. And no swear. GH1. We call you we as industry people, no, we all know said there were challenges. Mewa say ya allegation ya no. Oh, me say allegation ya tete. Mewa. There were financial challenges ya te. People were not paid
because of Union Bank issue.
Exactly. Ya te ni na. However, when the artist nyom mo da so atena mo radio station so ebo e dey entertain mo viewers.
Slip music.
Enye easy o. It is sad ne what's na meboa what's na TV3 mentor so it's sad the whole reality environment. You think say it takes a village to do that? Oh
No.
It takes a lot for you to do that. And the artist in award-winning artist, people that he picked from the scratch and made something out of. And to say the who Nanaba Anamoah who disrespected the pedigree. Any a friend say Okraku mante pedigree. People have a lot of things to say about you, Nanaba.
Saliman versus Nanaba Anamoah enyasem kitwa ene he. Saliman ejankasa ene wa blasting Nanaba Anamoah enyasem kitwa ba. Ye hwe se Nanaba Anamoah ebeba be yi ne ho anu biem anase obeja asem no amana kan de mani edi atwe any update be ba. Be beba be so mo don't forget to follow Facebook as Let's Talk GHONE and TikTok also as Let's Talk GHONE na share video we ama afoforo aba be she. Me din e de na ne kiasantoa. Akram.